105 Horizon 2008 new to the market summer 2015 and the first ever time listed for sale. This stunning yacht was extensively refit in 2014 at Horizon, to bring back to as new standards. Originally launched at the very end of 2008, Queen Grace has had one owner only, a discerning yachtsman who has kept the yacht fully crew and fully maintained. Queen Grace features a 4 generous staterooms, plus full crew, large country kitchen, full bean salon and sky lounge, spacious cockpit and swim platform aft.